Okay, right now today I'll be showing you how to convert a site to an app so that you have easy access to that site without going to Chrome, typing back the name of the site. Maybe YouTube, you go to your Chrome browser or your Google browser or any browser you're using, you go there and you type www.youtube.com. No, you can, if there's something important there like your YouTube studio on the site, on the desktop site, you can convert it straight to an app. You understand? And when you just come, look at my own here right now, you can just come and just, when I want to go into my YouTube studio, I'll just come here and I'll click on this YouTube dashboard here and I'll log in straight. So let's do it right now so I see how it works. So I'll be clicking on it right now and let me log straight into my YouTube studio. So right now they'll ask me the app or the studio. I will say the studio. So let's log straight into the desktop YouTube studio, where you have a lot of access to tools, features and everything you can use to make sure your video ranks up and you customize and everything. So let's log into it. So right now we are almost there. Okay, right now this is a new channel I just created for this class. So it has a current 2 subscribers. Wow, it's moving. I just created it I think yesterday. So okay, right now you see we are in this place, just clicking on that app and we are here. So now the question is, how did I convert this site, this whole site, to that app there? Now how to do it is very simple. Let's just do something like this. So what you do is this: you click on these 3 dots on the top here. You see, excuse me, you click on these 3 dots on the top. So look at these 3 dots on the top here. Click on these 3 dots. So when you click on these 3 dots, you see this place they say, yeah, add to home screen. Then you click on that place. You see right now they say YouTube studio, channel dashboard, YouTube studio. So you just click on the add button. Click on the add button. You click on add. Then they will ask you a question here, which you still have to click on add down here. You click on add. So right now it's have added to your home screen. So let's go to our home screen. So this one, why this one is still here is because we have added it so it will not duplicate. But let me just show you an example. Let's do this. Let me just browse something else. Okay, www.facebook.com. Okay, now I want to move this thing right now. I want to move this site completely like this. I want to move it into an app. I want to just convert it into an app. So what do? Click on this 3 icon up here. Then just come up, click on add to home screen, then add it and add it. So right now it will be added there. So let's go back. It will be added. It will be added. Where is it? Oh God. Excuse me. Add to home screen. Add. Why is it not pumping up? Okay, look at it. It's have added already. Look at it here. Look at it here. Look at it here. And also look at this, the second one I did here. So that is how you do it. So that is it. So when you just click on the 3 dots, click on add to home screen, click on add and click on add again, and it will just add up to your home screen. You just go there, you see it, and once ever you want to do it, click on it, it takes you there straight. So that's how it works. So you click on it, just log you in straight away. Just log you in to your studio or to any site you just converted to an app. So that is how it rolls. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well by supporting me. Click on the subscribe button, on the bell notification, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, so that it will reach other persons. Thank you and see you in the next video.